Did you know that if you put $10,000 in a bank account in the year 2000, that money today has the purchasing power of only $5,500? You didn't spend a dime, yet half your wealth vanished into thin air. Who stole it? A silent, invisible thief called inflation. Everyone tells you save for a rainy day, but they don't tell you that your savings are melting like an ice cube in the sun. In this masterclass, I'm going to reveal the purchasing power defense. It is the only way to stop the bleeding and actually grow your wealth. Let's begin. Welcome back. The problem we all face isn't that prices are going up, it's that the value of money is going down. You work harder, but you buy less. This is not an accident, it is a feature of the monetary system. So in today's video, we are building the inflation shield blueprint. We will explain simply why inflation happens, printing money, how it destroys the middle class, and what you can do about it. If you miss the third part about real assets, you will work until you die. Stay until the end for a 24-hour challenge that will calculate your personal inflation rate. Let's start with level 1. The money illusion. We think of money as a store of value. It used to be, when it was backed by gold. But since 1971, money's just paper, backed by trust. When the government prints trillions of dollars, the supply of money goes up, but the amount of goods, houses, apples, cars, stays the same. Result? More money chasing fewer goods. Prices rise. So the price of a house didn't go up, the value of your dollar went down. You need to stop measuring your wealth in dollars and start measuring it in purchasing power.
But wait a moment. Here is the trap. Banks tell you, put your money in a savings account, we pay you interest. But if the bank pays you 1% interest and inflation is 5%, your real return is -4%. The bank is not paying you. You are paying the bank to lose your money slowly. This is the biggest scam in modern finance. And before I show you where to actually put your money, if you are one of the 1% who refuses to be a victim of the system, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. We decode the financial matrix for you. So, savers are losers. Investors are winners.
Now let's fight back. You need to trade your paper money for real assets. 1. Stocks. Companies can raise prices when inflation hits, so owning stocks, like the S&P 500, protects you. 2. Real estate. Rents go up with inflation. Property values go up. Debt gets cheaper because you pay back with devalued dollars. 3. Gold or commodities. These are finite. You can't print gold. You don't need to be rich. You can buy fractional shares or REITs. Just get out of cash. The final enemy is procrastination. You say, I'll invest when the market crashes, or I'll wait until I have more money. Every day you wait, inflation takes a bite. In 10 years, your $100 might only buy you a sandwich. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't let fear paralyze you. Action cures fear. So, inflation is not a theory. It is a mathematical certainty. Protect yourself. Here is your 24-hour challenge. Use an online inflation calculator. Enter your current salary and see how much you need to earn in 10 years just to maintain your current lifestyle. The number will shock you. Write eye-opener in the comments if you did the math. Finally, if this video woke you up, hit the like button to help us spread the truth. Share this with a friend who keeps all their savings in a checking account. See you at the top. Peace.